Lesson 7: Introduction to MS PowerPoint. A presentation is the process of showing or explaining a topic to a large number of audiences, usually on a big screen. Presentations can be used for various purposes such as business meetings, seminars, projects, training programs, teaching in schools, and so on. A software package used to create and display information in the form of a slideshow is called a presentation program. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in an order displaying the information, and a slide is like a page in a PowerPoint presentation. There are many presentation softwares available in the market. Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the most commonly used presentation software. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a software application developed by Microsoft that allows you to create presentations. You can combine text, graphics, and multimedia content to create professional presentations. To start Microsoft PowerPoint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click in the Type Here to Search text box at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Type PowerPoint in the text box. A list of applications appears. Click PowerPoint 2016. The opening screen of PowerPoint appears. Click Blank Presentation from the right pane of the opening screen. The PowerPoint application window appears containing a single slide. Components of Microsoft PowerPoint window. Microsoft PowerPoint application window consists of various components. Let us discuss each of them. Title bar. The title bar displays the name of the application program, that is PowerPoint, and the title of the current presentation. By default, the title Presentation 1 is displayed. Ribbon. The ribbon is located below the title bar. It contains several tabs like File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, etc. Each tab contains various tools to create, edit, and format presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint. File tab. The File tab contains options to perform file-related operations such as New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, and Close. When you click the File tab, the Microsoft Office Backstage view appears. You can choose the desired option from here. Slide area. The slide area is located in the middle of the PowerPoint window. It displays the active slide. You can add text, tables, charts, smart art graphics, movies, sounds, pictures, and clip art in this area. Slides pane. The Slides pane is a strip present on the left side of the PowerPoint window. It shows the thumbnails of all the slides present in the current presentation. You can add, delete, and duplicate a slide from here. Create a new presentation. To create a new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab and select the new option from the Backstage view that appears. Step 2. Select the Blank Presentation option from the right pane. A new presentation with a single slide with title and subtitle placeholders appears. Adding text in placeholders. To add text in placeholders, follow these steps. Step 1. Click inside the Click to Add Title placeholder and start typing. Step 2. Click inside the Click to Add Subtitle placeholder and start typing. Saving a presentation. Once you are done with your presentation, you should save it so that you can view it in future. To save a presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File tab and then click the Save As option. Step 2. Click the Browse option from the middle pane of the Backstage view that appears. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. Choose the desired location from the left pane of the dialog box. Step 4. Type a name for the document in the File Name text box along with the extension .pptx. Step 5. Click the Save button. Note: once the presentation is saved, You can simply click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar to save the changes. Opening a presentation. To open an existing presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File tab and select the Open option. Step 2. Click the Browse option from the middle pane of the Backstage view that appears. The Open dialog box appears. Step 3. Locate the file from the left pane of the dialog box. Step 4. Select the file you want to open and click the Open button. The presentation will be opened. Slide layouts. Slide layouts contain formatting, positioning, and placeholders for all the content that appears on a slide. Microsoft PowerPoint provides a list of different layouts from which you can choose. Some of the commonly used slide layouts are as follows. Title slide. This layout is used to give a title and a subtitle to the presentation. It is the default layout. Title and content. This layout is divided into two parts. Title, where you can add the title of the slide, and content, where you can add text, images or graphics like charts, pictures, etc. To content. This layout is used to add text content along with the graphic content. Comparison. This slide layout is similar to the To content layout, but it also includes a heading text box over each type of content. Title only. This layout is used to place only a title on the slide. You can then insert other types of objects such as clip art, word art, pictures or charts if desired. Blank. This layout is used when a picture or other graphic object does not need any additional information. Working with slides. When you create a new presentation, it only contains one slide by default. You can add more slides in the presentation as and when required. You can also delete the slides which are not required. Adding a new slide. To add a new slide to your presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the arrow below the New Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab. Step 2. Select the desired slide layout from the options in the drop-down menu. A new slide with the selected layout is added just after the current slide. A slide can also be inserted by right-clicking on the slide, after which you want to insert a new slide, and then clicking the New Slide option from the shortcut menu that appears. Deleting a slide. To delete a slide from a presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. In the Slides pane, select the slide which you want to delete by clicking on its thumbnail. Step 2. Press the Delete key on the keyboard. You can also delete a slide by right-clicking on its thumbnail and then clicking the Delete Slide option from the shortcut menu that appears. Navigating between the slides. When you add multiple slides in your presentation, you need to move from one slide to another. There are several ways of navigating between the slides. Click on the thumbnail of the desired slide in the Slides pane. Click on Previous Slide button or Next Slide button on the vertical scroll bar to move to the previous or next slide respectively. Use the vertical scroll bar to move to the previous and next slide. Formatting text in a slide. Just like formatting text in MS Word, you can also format the text in PowerPoint. You can use various formatting options available in Font Group on the Home tab. Adding images to a presentation. A presentation looks so dull without images. To insert an image in a slide of your presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the slide in which you want to insert an image. Step 2. Click the Insert tab and then click the Pictures button in the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the desired image you want to insert and click the Insert button or simply double-click the image. Inserting online pictures. You can also insert pictures from the internet. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab and then click the Online Pictures button in the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 2. Enter the keyword in the Bing image search text box and press the Enter key. The images matching with the keyword appears. Step 3. Select the desired image and click the Insert button. The image is inserted in the slide. Sample presentation. Let us create a presentation on solar system and understand the various features of MS PowerPoint. The various slides of the presentation will be as follows. Slide 1. What is solar system? Slide 2. Image of the solar system. Slide 3. Sun, the center of the solar system. We will include some facts about the Sun along with its pictures. Slide 4. The 8 planets in sequence. Slide 5. Onwards, 1 slide for each planet. Similarly, you can insert more slides for other planets of the solar system. Running a slideshow. A slideshow is the display of the slides of the presentation, one by one in a sequence to the audience. It is often referred to as Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. To run a slideshow, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Slideshow tab and then select any of the following options in the slideshow group. From beginning, this option is used to run the slideshow from the first slide. From current slide, this option is used to run the slideshow from the current slide on which you are working. Step 2. Single click on the slide while the slideshow is running to display the next slide until it reaches the end of the presentation. To end the slideshow, right-click anywhere on the slide and click the End Show option from the shortcut menu that appears. You can also end a presentation by pressing the Escape key on the keyboard. Closing and exiting a presentation. To close a presentation, click the File tab and select the Close option. If changes made in the presentation are not saved, then a prompt box is displayed which asks you to save them. Click Save to save the changes. Don't save to discard the changes, and cancel to return back to the PowerPoint window. To exit PowerPoint application, click the Close button on the title bar. The PowerPoint window will be closed. Quick recap. A presentation is the process of showing or explaining a topic to a large number of audiences, usually on a big screen. A software package used to create and display information in the form of a slideshow is called a presentation program. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in an order displaying the information, and a slide is like a page in a PowerPoint presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint is a software application developed by Microsoft that allows you to create presentations. The slide area is located in the middle of the PowerPoint window. It displays the active slide. The Slides pane shows the thumbnails of all the slides present in the current presentation. Slide layouts contain formatting, positioning, and placeholders for all the content that appears on a slide.